Welcome back. So in this segment, let's talk about West Bengal. There are certain events that have taken place and certainly not pleasant, and they must be investigated because this is terrible news of the manner in which a councillor was shot dead, which the BJP calls shameful. Of course, there has to be a proper probe into this without politics. But what the Bengal chief of BJP ended up saying was something where many people would say that he has questioned his own governments. He says Bengal becoming mafia-ruled state like Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, law and order situation in Bengal is worsening with each passing day. Mr. Dilip Ghosh is now with us, and we also have TMC MP Kakuli Ghosh Dastidar also with us, and TMC spokesperson. Dilip Babu, let's begin with you. When you criticize, when you say Bengal is becoming like UP and Bihar, I hope you know you have governments in UP and Bihar, and you're essentially critiquing yourself. आप अपने ही बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Dilip Ghosh, can you hear me? Okay, I don't think we are being able to connect to Dilip Ghosh. We'll fix this line and come back. But Kakuli Ghosh, see the point that is being raised. If we were to keep what the words that have been spoken by Dilip Ghosh, comparing the Mafia Raj of Bihar with that in UP, Mafia Raj of Bengal with that in UP and Bihar. The point is that he talks about a councillor being shot dead. Now, what is the explanation to that?
Okay, first, let me congratulate Mr. Dilip Ghosh because I didn't know he was such a good football player. You know, he made an excellent self-goal, so to say. He has admitted that there is Mafia Raj in the two states of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar where they have their own government. And now, I will answer the second part of your question. I would like you to refer to the National Crime Records Bureau data, which says that there is a lot of safety for the women in Bengal. It says that the murder rate, crime rate in Bengal is right at the bottom of the list. So he should also refer to that before speaking. In Bengal, there is a lot of peace at the moment. But as far as the death of the councillor is concerned, we condemn all kinds of death, killing, murder, and our condolences to the family. The police and the CID has taken very fast action. They have already arrested people who are supposed to have links with the killing, but this particular gentleman
Ghosh,
has a history of previous
question is going to be asked, and this is criticism of the West Bengal government of the political deaths and the manner in which they happen in West Bengal. See, the BJP,
what I said,
any life of any person,
will you let me finish?
They're being killed.
Will you let me finish?
Sure, Ms. Ghosh.
Yeah. So, I would like you to refer to a killing of one of our MLAs of Nadia a few years back, in which the names of their national vice president and one MP has come up. Secondly, they picked up in Murshidabad the death of one of their functionaries. But it turned out that that particular gentleman committed suicide because a lot of people, you know, had invested in a mini bank or cooperative bank that he was running, and he had failed to pay them. So before knowing the truth about the death, they should not jump guns. They should not make these stray comments.
But Ms. Ghosh, these are different cases. I'm just saying that the manner in which political violence is happening, I've only heard this in West Bengal and Kerala. For it to happen,
it is not happening. It is not happening. You are misrepresenting the state of affairs in West Bengal. There is a lot of peace for everybody in West Bengal. Police acts very smartly. The police.
Let me get in a word from Dilip Ghosh.
Brings criminals.
Dilip Ghosh, Kakuli Ghosh Dastidar seems to suggest that this is wrong. You are trying to mislead the people by saying that there is a lot of political violence in the state of West Bengal. But you know, I want to bring your focus back to your initial and original comment where you said बंगाल में उसी तरीके का माफिया राज है जैसे कि यूपी और बिहार में है। तो दिलीप बाबू, आई होप यू नो, आप ही की सरकार है वहां पर यूपी और बिहार में।
पिछले बार भी
आप अपने आप को ही माफिया राज कह रहे हैं।
सुनिए, आप लोग पिछले बार मेरे कमेंट्स को अगर कोट किया था ना, आधा आधा, मैंने बोला 10-15 साल पहले बिहार यूपी की जो हालत थी, हम लोग यहाँ हंसते थे, जंगल राज था। आज
अच्छा,
उसी तरफ जा रही है। तो हमेशा काट पीट कर बोलते हैं। आज बंगाल की मीडिया आपको कोट करते हैं, आपको कोट करते हैं। आज सब जानते हैं यूपी बिहार की स्थिति क्या है और बंगाल की स्थिति क्या है। हमारे ही 115 कार्यकर्ता को मारा गया, उसमें एमएलए भी है और परसों एक
काउंसिलर जो युवा नेता था एडवोकेट, उनको सारे हम 12 बुलेट लगाया गया स्टेन गन से थाना के सामने 10-15 गज के बीच में। तो इसको लॉ एंड ऑर्डर बोलते हैं क्या? ऐसा कोई जिला नहीं जहां मर्डर नहीं हुई है, महिलाओं की बलात्कार नहीं हुई है। और काकोली जैसा सीनियर पॉलिटिशियन इसको दबाने के लिए लोगों को भ्रमित करने का प्रयास करते हैं। आप बोलिए देश भर में कहीं टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटी नहीं है, बंगाल में क्यों टेररिस्ट मिलते हैं मुर्शिदाबाद में, और बंगाल के लोग जाके केरल में टेररिस्ट बनते हैं और उसको दबाने के लिए उनके मिनिस्टर बोलते नहीं, ये मासूम लोग हैं, इनको फंसाया जा रहा है। एनआईए ने उनको इंक्वायरी करके पकड़ लिया।
Let me get a response. Kakuli Ghosh, you've heard what Dilip Ghosh has to say.
They have no
Number
respect
one, in
for
the
human
context
life.
of his statement, he
I
says
have
that
heard.
the full
I have
comment is
heard.
that 15 years ago it was like this. Yeah.
I have heard. Let me answer. They have no respect
Sure.
for human life. They have no respect for the Dalits, the women, the poor people, the farmer, the farm hands. And they are misquoting. This is the National Crime Records Bureau data. I am holding it up for you, for everybody to see. You can also consult it. It is the latest report which says that out of the 45,935 crimes in the country in last
क्राइम
1
रेट में
year,
वेस्ट बंगाल एक नंबर में है
West
देश
Bengal,
में।
don't
देखिए बांग्ला,
interrupt, don't interrupt, don't
देखिए
interrupt, Mr.
बांग्ला,
Ghosh.
वेस्ट बंगाल एक नंबर में क्राइम
West Bengal
में
is
देश
at
में।
the West
Crime
Bengal
Bureau
is
का
at the
report है।
bottom. Out of 45,000, it is only 119, and all the criminals have been brought to book. West Bengal is at 22.
Crime Bureau का
Only
report लिखिए,
119 out of
चिल्लाने से नहीं होता है।
45,935. So he is misrepresenting. They have no value for life. They are killing people to create this atmosphere, and their target is somewhere else. Their agenda is somewhere else. They want to create disturbance in peaceful West Bengal to
सुनिए,
have
एक
their
महिला
own political
मुख्यमंत्री-
gains.
Okay.
So
The
he
point
is
is this
not
is
like
this
character
खराब
is
थी।
this a
ये
political
छोटी
teaser
घटना है,
to what is going
ऐसा
to
होता
be the
रहता
build
है।
up to West Bengal elections of 2021? Because let's just hope and pray that it is not as violent and as vindictive as the build up to Lok Sabha 2019 was in the state of West Bengal. My goodness, it was terrible, terrible violence that was reported and action that we saw in West Bengal. Let's hope that does not happen. Thank you very much, Dilip Ghosh, as well as Kakuli Ghosh Dastidar, for joining us on this discussion.